someone enters their email and they want to hear from you. They see your website, your lead magnet, your quiz, whatever it is, a capture page, and they're looking forward to getting to know you more. Congrats, that's awesome. Hi, I'm Yuri Lenov, and while this sounds awesome, we're missing something very important. It helps when you have a double opt-in form, because not only will you make sure that people are actually welcoming your email, but it can also have some legal implications. And I'm going to give you some of the different options that you have. But first, let's define single opt-in and double opt-in. So option 1 is single opt-in, and it's just what it is. Getting your subscribers to enter their email, and they may or may not need to click a box giving you permission to email them. That's it. And you have a lead. That's awesome. But there's no additional steps required. Double opt-in, on the other hand, is when your subscribers enter their email and then they see a page asking them to confirm their email address on their inbox email. This allows the sender, you, to send a welcome email saying something like this. Thank you for opting in. I'd love to email you more information and more awesome content about whatever it is that you do. But first, we need to make sure that you're a real person and you want to get more emails from me. Just click below to confirm your opt-in. That's it. You're essentially confirming their subscription. But you're doing something more than that. You're telling them what to expect in the future. You're making sure that they want to hear from you, and you're getting a double permission to send them any type of marketing emails that you want to send them. And the reason why this is important is because in many, and if not in most of the world, there are laws when it comes to email marketing. And I am not a lawyer, but essentially they revolve around getting permission to email your subscribers. So when you send a confirmation email, you're able to get double permission. When it comes to open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics, this double opt-in is the best way to make sure that people will open your email from the very beginning. And yes, we've talked about why it's important to get your open rates up, your deliverability, cleaning up your list, and other email marketing delivery topics, but double opt-in is one of the best ways from the very beginning to establish a positive relationship and make sure that people start to open your emails. So, would you rather have 1 million subscribers, but only about 3% of them open your emails on a daily basis, which is around 30,000 people opening your emails? Or would you rather have 100,000 subscribers and 30% open up your emails? And yes, it's around 30,000 people again, but there's one key distinction. In the first example, 1 million subscribers, your delivery rate is suffering and it's harming future emails from being delivered. And the reason for this is because fewer people are opening up your email. So there are measures in place that show that this is kind of unwanted email and eventually might not even get delivered. The 1 million subscribers have not been cleaned up the list. There are some bounces in there, undelivered addresses, and you really need to clean it up. But what about the second example? You have 100,000 subscribers. Your delivery rate is way higher. You're killing your open rates because the average rates across all markets is around 20%. But not only that, you have an engaged list, and that helps your delivery. Plus, you're probably cleaning it up every few months, and a clean list is a more desire for more and a higher delivery. So what do you prefer? Look, double opt-in is really the first step in order to reach a high delivery rate, open rate, and click-through rate, and other types of metrics. But that doesn't mean that you need an open rate, a double opt-in rate all the time. I am very well aware. It's not a one-time solution to have an engaged list, let's just say. But let's say you want to start off the right foot. You want quality over quantity. And you want to make sure that your list is double opt-in and you want to follow the same basic guidelines. You can start whenever. You don't have to have a double opt-in from the very beginning. Right now, it's a great way and a great start for you to start getting your double opt-ins. Alright, well that's it for me today. Have a good rest of your day and let me know if you need help with any of your email marketing needs. Bye-bye. Take care.